Say hello to Garmin's first fitness device capable of storing music, the Garmin Forerunner 645 Music. With the ability to store about 500 songs or downloaded playlists from iHeartRadio, the Forerunner 645 takes a smart, albeit late step in the direction toward mainstream wearable success. Garmin's well known in the running community as a reliable brand for GPS watches, but only recently has the company made meaningful strides towards the more casual wearable market. While watches like the touchscreen-equipped Vivo Active 3 offered a more appealing sub-$300 price with a stylish look to match, it also lacked the ability to stream or store music. The Forerunner 645 takes elements from the Vivo Active, such as its casual design and support for Garmin Pay, the company's contactless payment solution, but unfortunately subtracts the touchscreen and adds almost $200 to the price. Although buttons are a runner's and especially a swimmer's best friend, so are quick and intuitive actions. The 645 isn't the most complex device to use, but navigating all its functions with only a few buttons can be a bit cumbersome, it seems. Of course, more hands-on time will be needed to determine the efficiency of such a system, but the $450 price tag of the 645 Music may be a tough pill to swallow for some, considering the smarter and less expensive or even equally priced alternatives. For those dedicated to running though, the arrival of the 645 Music may be exactly what they needed to kick their fitness regimen into high gear. Pair a set of Bluetooth headphones with it and enjoy 5 hours of GPS tracking with music on your runs, swims, cycles, and more, receiving notifications from apps like Uber and AccuWeather, as well as phone calls and messages throughout. The Garmin Forerunner 645 Music is available for purchase now, as well as the Garmin Forerunner 645 with no music for $50 less at $399. I'm Corey Gaskin with PhoneArena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out PhoneArena.com for more info on all devices shown at CES 2018.